Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. In this video, we're going to learn how you can make a beautiful top dress. Here we are making pleats and pin up at the center like we're doing here in the video. After this, we're going to do the same from other side as well. Now cut the extra fabric from the top portion and from bottom as well. Now take a clean fabric and we're going to stitch it as well. We're also making these beautiful pleats on the bottom side. You can add some pearls and lace and it's done. Let's make a beautiful off-shoulder dress pattern. Here we are going to make the top portion only. We are making these small pleats and pin them like we're doing here. And you have to do the same from other side as well. Hold the fabric from one end and we're also giving shape to the shoulder as well. And look how pretty this is already looking. After this, we're going to make the bottom part as well like this. So take another piece of fabric and you have to pin it at the bottom side and look at the beautiful V curve. It is looking very pretty. On the bottom side, we are also making these stitches and look, it's done. Finally, we are going to add more layers and cover it from its corner as well. And look, it's done. You can add the gown later and look how pretty this is looking. In this video, we're going to make the top for the dress. So let's get started. First, we're going to make the pleats at the center part from one single piece of fabric. Now, we're going to take another fabric and we're making the sleeves and the side portion as well. Add few lace like we're doing here. You can also add pearls in place of this. And look, it's done. Now, we're making the sleeves here. We're making these puff sleeves. So pin it and look, it's done. Let's make sleeveless top here for the gown and you can also use it for dress. We are making this bow shape for the top portion. Now take another piece of fabric. We are going to make the top neck portion like this and look, it's ready. Finally, we are going to cover the bottom part as well. We are leaving a small shape like this and look, it's done. Now we are going to pin all of them on the top of the mannequin and cut the extra part like we're doing here. Add some beads and it's done. Here we're going to make a bow shape using this beautiful golden fabric. So take the fabric and make pleats like this. After this, we're going to pin it at the center part and cut the extra fabric like this. Now we are making a cut at the center like we're doing here and start folding it from the top portion. Give it shape like this. You have to fold it and cut the extra part over and over again and look, it's done. Now we are going to put the bow shape and tuck the fabric inside at the center part. You have to take a pin and tuck it inside the mannequin like we're doing here and look, it's done. Let's make a beautiful design for your dress. Here we are going to make pleats around the mannequin like we're doing here. So we are going to use this pink color of fabric and look how pretty this is already looking. We're also making pleats on the top portion. Now cut the extra fabric using scissors. Look how we are doing here. Do the same from other side as well. You will get this beautiful heart-shaped design if you look carefully and look how pretty this is already looking. You can make a dress out of it. Thank you so much for watching this video.